Hey there, Amazon shoppers. It's Amy from 911 Studios, and today we are continuing to talk about our favorite products from the Pearl Source. You guys know that the Pearl Source is your go-to spot on Amazon for the best deals on the most gorgeous, high-quality pearls on the planet. You guys, this ring is insane. It is just so gorgeous. It is black Tahitian pearls surrounded by diamonds, 18 karat gold. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Plus, it's a really versatile piece of jewelry. This is something that is gonna look good casual every day, but also pop and be totally elegant, totally gorgeous, and just be a show-stopping, stunning piece for your next special occasion. You guys, these are not dyed pearls. They're not dyed black or put colors on. No. These are 100% straight from Tahiti and French Polynesia, right out of the South Seas. They're gorgeous. They have that iridescence. It's gonna be a piece that everyone stops and is just like, oh my goodness, what is that? Let me see your ring. Show me, you know? It's just a gorgeous piece of jewelry, AAA certified pearls. The Pearl Source, of course, is members of the Jewelers of America. If you look on Amazon, they have well over 6,000 five-star reviews. You've probably seen them in publications like Marie Claire or the Los Angeles Times. They are amazing. They are who you want, they're who you want to buy your pearls from. And this is one of the most beautiful rings I think I've ever seen. Absolutely amazing. You guys, this makes a beautiful gift for any occasion, even if it's just a gift for yourself. So you guys go ahead and put this in your cart. You are gonna be so happy that you did.